Let's see what the question says. You are given a 1D integer array B, containing A integers. Count the number of ways to split all the elements of the array into 3 contiguous parts, so that the sum of elements in each part is the same. Which means, sum from first index to index 1, should be equal to sum from index I plus 1 to index j, which also should be equal to sum from index j plus 1 to last index of the array. Let's understand it with some test cases. In this test case, there are only 2 ways to make partitions as following. Take 5 minutes and think about how can you solve it. Here is small video to wish happy Friendship Day to all. Let's understand the best solution for this question. Firstly, we will calculate the total sum of the array, and check if the sum is divisible by 3. If not, then we can say that we cannot make 3 equal partitions for this array. If sum is divisible, then next task is to find all points where we can make first partition, which means that part has sum equal to total sum divided by 3. Similarly, we will find all points where we can make second partition, and at that points we add all combinations to final answer, because at these points we get 3 equal partitions. After the for loop ends, we get final answer in variable answer. Let's dry run over some test cases. For this test case, initially sum will be equal to 9 and then part 1 will be 3, part 2 will be 6, current sum will be 0, count will be 0, and answer will be 0.
In iteration 1, current element will be added to current sum,
which results the value equal to 1, since both the if conditions are false. So we can't make any partition at this index. So we move to next iteration. In iteration 2, current sum will be equal to 3, since current sum is equal to part 1 sum. So we can say that we can make first partition here. So we add 1 in count variable. In iteration 3, current sum will be equal to 6, since current sum is equal to part 2 sum. So we can say that we can make second partition here. Also we can say that at this point we get 3 partitions having equal sum. So we add the count variable to final answer variable, which make it equal to 1.
In iteration 4
also, current sum will be equal to 6. So we can make second partition here. So we add the count variable to final answer, which make it equal to 2. In iteration 5, current sum becomes 9. So both if conditions fails and also for loop ends. We get final answer as 2.